Ever wondered what would happen if you cancelled your Canva Pro or Canva Teams account? I thought this quick video would help you know what the consequences of that decision would be. So you might want to think again. Hi, I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. I'm going to go across to my Canva screen to show you a quick presentation that goes through what you lose, what you keep, and how you cancel your Canva Pro account. Let's go across to my screen now. I've gone to Canva. In case you haven't used the Canva Present option, I'm going to go from my slides and I'm going to click on Present, and then I'm going to present it in full view. I can reappear again now. But let's look at what happens if you do cancel your Pro account. Well, of course, the main thing is that you'll lose access to all those amazing features, and they are incredible, and Canva does keep adding to them, which means you'll lose a lot of the flexibility. But also, if you want to use any Pro features, you will actually have to pay for each one every time you use it. And that's about $1 a time. What you keep if you cancel your account is your existing designs converted to Canva free. While you've got access to them, if you try to download them again, you'd have to pay for any premium elements that are on there. And your brand kit will only have 3 colors. So no brand logos or fonts, and no uploaded fonts if you uploaded any, and certainly not 100 brand kits that you could have in a Canva Pro or Teams account. However, cancel your plan doesn't delete your existing designs in Pro and your brand kits. They're kept somewhere in the background by Canva, and you can use them again when you upgrade at a later stage. But you do have another option. Instead of cancelling, you could pause your plan. So something to think about. When you pause your plan, it's for 3 months only, which gives you enough time if you had to go away or you're traveling and weren't going to use your Canva account, just to still retain all your designs and all your Pro membership benefits. And the pause begins once your current billing period ends. So it would start from, if that was an end of a month, it would start from that point. And Canva will send you email reminders before it starts again. You will have warning. The money won't just be taken from your account. How to cancel? You have to make sure that, first of all, you log into the right Canva account or team. I know that's something I'd need to do because I have several. And on your homepage, you go to the account settings area. That's the one up the top on the right-hand side, close to where your image is. Then on the left-hand side of your screen, you go down to where it says Billing and Plans and click on that. And then on your plan, down at the bottom, you need to click on the 3 little dots, which in Canva always means more information, and on lots of other programs as well. I hope you can see those. And then you can click on Cancel Your Subscription. And it's that easy. And while it's that easy, it's definitely something I wouldn't suggest you do. If you decide to pause your account rather than cancel, you go through the same process most of the way through till you get to section 4, which is the Cancel Subscription. You then select Continue Cancellation. And on the next screen, you select I want to pause my subscription, and then select Continue Cancellation. And then you have to click on the button that says Pause for 3 months to confirm it. If you want to know more, I'll add this link in the description below the video so you can follow through exactly how you do it if that's what you decide to do. But before I go, I do want to remind you what the benefits of a Pro account is. I've gone across to the plans and pricing area so you can see you get 100+ million premium stock photos, videos, and graphics, which is amazing. And you have unlimited folders and premium content. 610,000 plus, and there are quite a few more than that now, free templates with new designs being added all the time. Whereas you're going to get 250,000 free templates only, she says, in Canva free. But the nicer design ones are obviously with Pro. You have dedicated folders for specific projects. You can have up to 100 brand kits, which is amazing. You have resize with Magic Resize, which is brilliant, and I use all the time for converting social media posts from one size to another. Then you can remove backgrounds instantly. And also you can schedule social media content to 8 platforms, which is fantastic, and saves you having to invest in a separate social media scheduler. You also have a huge amount more storage, and you get 24/7 customer support. I do hope you decide not to leave Canva Pro, and I will put a link there if you want to try it, because now you know there's no real risk. You can always cancel or pause it and then come back if you need to. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.